Projects in Cloud EPM Planning helps connect project planning with the financial planning process, so you can evaluate initiatives, plan resources, and understand financial impact before you commit. With projects, you can perform project-based planning for contract projects to manage revenue-generating projects, such as time and materials, fixed price, cost plus, or other project types. Indirect projects, which are internal projects such as IT, marketing, and R&D initiatives. These projects have a cost impact, but don't directly generate revenue. And capital projects, which help you plan investments related to capital assets. When projects is integrated with capital, you can allocate project expenses to create one or more capital assets. To get started, planners define project assumptions such as standard labor, material, and equipment rates, overhead, working days and hours, and discount rates. These assumptions help drive project calculations and analysis. Once a project is created, enter the project details and plan expenses using either driver-based expense planning or direct input. For example, planners can model labor, equipment, and material expenses using project drivers. Projects then calculates expenses based on the assumptions and drivers entered for the project. Use the expenses dashboard to review project costs and analyze the impact of your assumptions. For contract projects, you can perform revenue planning, including revenue recognition based on accounting standards such as IFRS 15. For indirect and capital projects, you can define financial and non-financial benefits. For example, a digital initiative might generate incremental revenue from digital leads, reduce call center costs, improve customer satisfaction, or increase the user base. Use the revenue dashboard to analyze project revenue and evaluate impact of your assumptions. Track project performance using built-in metrics such as cash flow, payback period, net present value, and return on investment, along with pre-built dashboards and reports. Use the project summary dashboard to get a consolidated view of your project. After review, the project can be submitted through an approval workflow. Projects also integrates with other planning modules, including financials to move project expense and revenue data into financial planning and reporting. Capital to allocate project costs to capital assets and review asset usage. And workforce to support labor planning, employee utilization, labor hours, and project-related workforce expenses. Administrators can enable features incrementally as needed. For example, enable only internal projects if contract projects are not needed, and enable additional capabilities over time. Integrations from workforce or capital can also be enabled using enable features. When features are enabled, projects loads predefined artifacts such as dimensions, forms, accounts, calculations, dashboards, and reporting content. You can also customize or extend these artifacts to fit your business process. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.